Hi, I'm Caroline. I am the assistant graphic designer at CALPAK. This is my boyfriend, Jack.
Hello.
He is a roaster at a local cafe in LA, and today he's going to be showing us how to make
Sangria.
Woo! Let's go!
All right, so first things first, we're gonna grab our most important tool, the pitcher that we're making the sangria in. Ours is this really cute little one with some palm trees on it.
Perfect for summer, and this is the perfect drink for summer.
Absolutely. Muddling is going to crush the fruit up and incorporate the liquor and the orange juice and the sugar all together. We're going to release some of that orange zest into the liquid and create kind of this boozy, sugary, fruity slurry. And this will be the base to your sangria. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, we are going to add our bottle of wine to our pitcher.